Hello all, welcome to Awesome Style. This is once again Awesome Style with a new video. Hope you all enjoy my videos. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Please try to press the bell button after you subscribe to my channel to get an instant notification. Today I have a little bakers in my kitchen, so I'm not going to do any cooking or baking. They're going to bake M&M Cookie Cups. So they're holding a packet of cookie cup mix. Take a cookie mix. They're adding to a mixing bowl. Kids really enjoy doing baking when they are having holidays. Then they took a butter. Here they only need 1/3 cup of butter. So here peeling it off the cover and they need to melt it and place it in a microwave for 20 seconds. Now they are adding a butter to a cookie mix. Next step, 1 tablespoon of water is added by the baker. Now she's giving a good mix. Please don't forget to subscribe, friends. Here the little bakers are just using a spatula to make a perfect cookie dough. After giving a good mix, the dough will be formed. See how perfect the dough is. Now let's make a cookie. So here they're rolling the dough into small bowls. So apply the oil on the palm. Please do follow the steps as shown in the video. Here my bakers are rolling 12 balls for cookies and placing them in the plate. They're rolling them very perfectly and very smooth. So you can watch in the video how smooth balls they are. This way they'll finish up making all 12 of them. So perfect cookie balls are ready. Now keep the cupcake paper in the cupcakes pan. Now my bakers start dropping each ball into the cupcakes pan. They're having fun and excited to do this baking part, and especially the dropping of balls is literally a fun for them. Baking is really super exciting part and it's very easy to do. Now they're going to press down the dough using fingers gently to give the shape of a cookie cup. Now they're going to use rounded tablespoon in each cup, then press to flatten it, as you can see here in the video. Now preheat the oven at 375 degrees. Bake them at 375 for 12 minutes. Out of the oven after 12 minutes, they are done. Pan and cookie is hot. Let it cool down completely. Transfer to plate once cooled down. Remove the paper from the cookie as shown. This way all the cookies will be removed from the paper and placed So they're ready to be topped. So this little bakers here, they're using the fudge, chocolate fudge. Squeeze the fudge pouch and add 2 teaspoons of fudge into each cookie cup and spread. Wow, see this chocolate fudge? It looks so tempting and so mouth-watering. This way, my little bakers will be spreading all the fudge over all the cookies. Now they are going to top it, the cookies, with the M&M candies. Wow, too colorful. So yummy topping. This is most exciting part to bake cookies. So one by one, all my little bakers are having fun doing the toppings on each cookie cup, ready to enjoy. A big thank you to my little bakers who did such a lovely baking. Every bite of this cookie was really tasty. Wow, it's super perfect. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.